This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix payment error in Free Fire on iPhone. So if you're trying to buy diamonds on Free Fire but you see the payment error, follow these simple solutions to fix this issue. The first solution is check your internet working fine. Open a browser and open a random website. If the website working properly, it means your internet is working fine. And the second solution is go to your Free Fire app and tap on the settings icon. Here scroll down, tap on network and enable optimization. Tap on confirm. Once done, check the issue. The third solution is offload the Free Fire app. Go to your iPhone settings. Tap on general. Tap on iPhone storage. Tap on Free Fire. Offload app again and reinstall the Free Fire app from here and then check the issue. The last solution is reset all settings. Open your iPhone settings and tap on general. Scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset all settings. Once done, hope this solution will fix Free Fire payment error. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.